Hey yo, what's good, y'all? This is your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now, before I get right into this video about my new pickup, my first time unboxing something like this on the channel, it is not a sneaker. I want to shout out a couple of my supporters. I'm gonna post what they said up here on the screen. First, I want to give a shout out to my man 1 Cent. He had said that the Black Cement 3s were the Jordan release of the year, because in my last video, the Court Purple and Pine Greens, I said that I believe that those are the Jordan release of the year. And I cannot argue with you about the Black Cement 3s. Those are probably my second favorite, but it's a toss-up because those are obviously a classic. These are a brand new colorway, but I can put a card above showing my pickup of the doubling up on the Black Cements. And a second person that I want to shout out is LP Squad. She said do a video about Josiah, my son Josiah's collection. That probably might not happen. Maybe one day when he gets a little older, because he beats all his sneakers into the ground. Y'all know how kids do. He's only 8 years old, so we might go through some of his sneakers at some point, but well, who knows. But without holding y'all too much longer, let's get into the video. Alright y'all, we back, and it's time to unbox these or unbag these here on the channel. It's only one item. This was my first time ever buying anything from that site. I don't know. Am I too old? Am I too old to wear this stuff? I don't know. Let's get into it. All right. And as y'all can see, we got the white Supreme bag straight from Flushing Ave, Building 3 in Brooklyn. Got your white Supreme bag. And this is what I went for. I don't know the things that get hyped and things like that. I just like designs and what I like to wear. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not. But either way, as y'all can see, I'm gonna put a picture up because I'm not gonna open this yet until I'm ready to wear it, or if I don't wear it, obviously I gotta get rid of it. But I'll put a picture up on the screen exactly what this is. This is the Supreme Eternal Tee. And on the front of this joint right here, it has like it's an infinity symbol. One, it has Supreme going through one way, and then when it goes behind, it has Eternal behind it. It's the size medium. But what I want to know is, am I too old to be a hype beast? Like, is there an age limit on being a hype beast? Does this make me a hype beast by buying Supreme? I thought it was a dope t-shirt. You know what I'm saying? It's very simple, nothing too crazy. It ain't got a whole bunch of faces on it, and you know, all over logos and all that type of stuff. But I also don't get the hype behind it. So as of right now, I still have this. I'm happy that I bought it. But if any of you guys are interested in a size medium Eternal Supreme tee, yeah, I got all the, they didn't, oh, hold on. I see people doing it, okay. A couple box logo stickers too. If any of y'all interested in this whole bag can go out to you, man. Just hit me on Instagram. All of my links and stuff will be in the description below. And if y'all can fit this or want this, man, just hit me on Instagram, man, or email me or something like that with an offer, and it's yours. It'll ship out that day. But if not, that's fine as well. You'll see me in a video wearing this joint at some point. I just want to know, am I too old to be a hype beast? Does this even make me a hype beast? Yes! 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 Is it just a t-shirt? Or does the brand make me a hype beast? OV! keys in a Louis V. 12, I'm a G, ain't no stopping me.
And my wrist is on overseas. Rich, you can talk to me.